Hi everybody, I am A.S. Reddy. I am the director of A.S. Reddy Spoken English. I used to work as a lecturer in English previously. I worked in different junior and degree colleges in Mehboob and Hyderabad. So I worked for about 8 years. So as I have a lot of interest in teaching spoken English, I have become completely professional spoken English trainer. I have written about 20 books in English, and I also did one Guinness event on memory power, and I did memory shows in 4 states, in Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Mumbai. So those who would like to watch my memory talent show, they can enter YouTube and they can type AAS Reddy. If you just type AAS Reddy, you can watch my memory talent show and you can enjoy like anything. And I don't know whether you people are believing me or not. About 1 lakh people have watched my memory talent show on YouTube. And so previously I used to run Spoken English Training Center in Mehboob district. So in 2012 we came to Hyderabad. So presently we are running 2 branches. One is at Amirpet and the other one is at Dilshuk Nagar. So ours is a completely different training center. So you may think Spoken English Training Center means they give coaching for 1 hour or for 30 or 35 days. It's not like that. Our training center is not at all like that. So it has been established exclusively for full day batches. Full day batch means here we give training for 10 hours. So a student who would like to learn English, he or she should be here for 1 month. So 30 days, 24 hours, students should be with us. We provide a hostel facility. So on residential process, it's going on. So ours is the first training center which has been established on residential process. So here we take care of the students throughout the day. So daily we give 10 hours training. A student who joins us, we can easily make them to speak English in just 30 days. It's possible. Some of you may not believe how it's possible. How can we make you to speak in English in just 30 days? Yes, of course, your doubt is right. It's not possible to make the students to speak in English in just 30 days when we give training only for 1 or 2 hours. But we are not giving such type of coaching. We are giving full day training. So in full day training, it's easily possible to make the students to speak in English in just 30 days. We have trained a number of students, number of batches are going on. There are some students, those who have taken coaching in different training centers. They are with us now. Now they are very happy now. So I welcome the people, those who have strong desire, those who have burning desire to learn English. It's a grand welcome for all of you. So you might have visited a number of training centers in Hyderabad. Why don't you visit our training center once? If you once come over here and if you attend 3 classes, you will enjoy the sessions like anything. After attending 3 classes, no one can stop you from admission. You can happily join here. You can enjoy this full day batch. We always encourage only full day batches. We don't encourage short term batches, because if we teach only for 1 hour or 2 hours, for 30 or 40 days, it's impossible to make the students to speak English. So that's what we have strongly decided to run only full day batches. So I suggest the students, so never take admission in short term batches. You can join in any training center, but prefer full day batches. So in Hyderabad city, no training center is offering full day course. Only A.S. Reddy Spoken English is running full day batches. So dear students, if you have strong desire to learn English, you are most welcome to A.S. Reddy Spoken English. Thank you very much.